Okay, we got Valentine's Day date. Boom. We're in love. Welcome to part 2 of my Lovefest Valentine's Day series. Thank you for joining me. So today I want to do a heart-eyed look. We're going to be using some red glitter. So I'm excited. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and go ahead and turn your notifications on so that you know when the next video is uploaded. So to start, I have my brows. They're all done here. First thing I'm going to do, I have a white eyeliner called Hellcat from Il Makiage in their Rico Nasty collection. And I'm going to trace out a heart on my eye. Boom! Does that look? Oh, it's not that bad. I did color on the inside a little bit, but it's cool. There we go. Our heart eye. Next, I'm going to be using this loose eyeshadow powder from Mayo Cosmetics, Mayo Makeup. It's bright red. And I'm going to use my small eyeshadow brush from RK by Kiss. And I am going to fill in this heart. So for the edges, just to get a cleaner line, I'm using this brush. I do not have a name for it, but the brush is a little flatter. So there's a little more control, especially because this eyeshadow is a loose pigment. Crazy story with this specific eyeshadow. When I was living in my apartment, I remember I was doing a look with this exact pigment. Like, I have not used this in like 2 years because I was so devastated. Basically, I was doing a look and I was using this red, and I was living in my apartment at the time, and I don't know what happened, but I dropped this pigment, and when I tell you that it stained so bad, like I could not get it out for the life of me. I could not get this pigment out of the carpet, and it's a bright red. Like, nah, it was not coming out. I even bought one of the little small carpet cleaners. I had ordered one. It was so expensive because I was devastated. I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm not going to get my deposit back because I jacked up the carpet. I tried to buy like a rug to put on top of it just so I couldn't see it, and I was tired of feeling guilty. So I literally have not used this thing since. Okay, so I'm taking this brush. I got it from like TJ Maxx. It's a flat brush. I'm going to take some Squeeze lash glue instead of the stick because it's easier for this. And this is some red glitter that I got from the craft store. So I'm just putting the glue on that brush, and I'm literally going to paint it on where I want the glitter. So as you can see, I'm just kind of painting it. And this helps you control where the glitter is going to go. And then I scoop the glitter and pack it on there. Yes, we're doing a voiceover because I was on the phone in a deep conversation.
She does like paintings or something?
See, scoop and place the glitter. Okay, so this eye is done. I have my glitter all over. I did add a little bit of eyeliner. And yeah, I'm going to clean this up when I do my foundation and everything. It looks like it's not even because of the way my eye is shaped. When I open my eye, you can see. Okay, so yeah, this eye is done. For this eye, I'm going to do just a simple neutral glam. Like, I'm just going to do some nudes and yeah, just keep it simple. So for the other side, I'm going to go into my Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. And I'm going to use Desert Vibes. And this brush is from Skinny Dip. And it's in the style E1. I'm just going to take that Desert Vibes. I'm just going to pack that into this outer corner. Wait a minute. First of all, rewind. I didn't even prime my eye. Did not even prime my eye. Y'all were going to let me do eyeshadow without priming my eye. Let me prime my eye first. There we go. Now, again, Desert Vibes. Corner. Next, I'm going to go into my Jackie Ina palette from ABH. Please excuse it. I'm going to use this color here, Ginger. And I'm just going to darken that outer corner. Same brush. We're just darkening that corner a little bit, because it's a warmer tone brown. It is looking really light on camera. And I want to darken it more. Like, I want it to be soft glam, but I do want it to stand out. Like, so I'm going to go back in with both of those colors and just deepen this a little bit. Because I do want this to, you know, be a glam look. I still want it to pop. I don't want it to look like it's nothing there. You feel me? So, that's what we're about to do. Okay, so this is about as dark as I want it, honestly. Okay, so I did go in with Credit just to darken it a little bit, and I used the same brush and just blended it out. So here we are. And just to finish off this neutral glam, I'm gonna go into my Revolution Earth Shadow palette. Oh, y'all up in my ring light. And I'm going to use this real champagne color and literally just cover my lid. I'm using Morphe's M167 brush. And I'm just use that champagne color. I'm going to go ahead and fill all this in, my whole eyelid. Okay, so this is what we have. It's literally a simple, soft glam. Here we go. Blend it out. And now I'm going to go ahead. Look at it. When I put my eye down, it looks like it's crooked, but in actuality, it's not. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation, everything, that we're going to come back and finish this look. Okay, so we are back. I have on my foundation. I have on my lashes. This look is coming together. We have our soft glam, you know. Oh, this is Valentine's Day date. Ba-boom. We're in love. I love this, y'all. Like, I really love this. The fact that I have to pull my eyebrow up this high for you to see that my heart is actually even is crazy. But anyways, we're not going to focus on that. Okay, make sure your lashes are secure. But I love this. This is really dope. I'm like genuinely impressed. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into my Jagged palettes from ABH, and I'm going to go in with that ginger. I think this is the brush. Yeah, this is the brush that actually came with the palette. I'm going to use this side, and I'm just going to sweep that on my waterline on this side, because obviously. Okay, next I'm going to add some eyeliner. This is some black eyeliner from Il Makiage and their Rico Nasty collection. So I'm going to add this black eyeliner to this one. I do already have it on this eye, but let's add it on this one. Alright, I'm going to add some mascara to both lashes. Ooh, this is from Essence. This is their Lash Princess False Lash Effect. So we're adding that. So we're here. Next, I want to add some embellishments. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of these rhinestones that I got from the craft store, and I'm going to place them all the way around my heart. Let me get up and get this charger. My phone keep reminding me I'm about to die. Okay, I got you. I got you. I'm going to listen. So, looks like I totally forgot to tell you how I'm putting these rhinestones on. I'm taking a stick lash glue, just putting a dot where I want my gem, and then I'm taking my tweezers and placing them in that spot. Okay, so boom. There you have it. I love this. This is so cute. For our lippies, I think I'm just going to do some gloss. I'm going to use, this is from the Lip Bar, and this is their gloss in the style Goddess. Okay. I'm going to put this on. Oh yeah, so we're getting a nice, it's metallic. I'm going to add a little nude gloss on there. See what it does. I like that. Okay, this is NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the style Cookie Butter. So I probably should have did it the other way around, but I like this. Now I'm going to do my hair and pull this look all together. Here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final look. Okay, I got my hearts. My red dress for the one time. I'm feeling the Valentine's Day vibes. I love this. Y'all know I love every look, I guess. But I love this. This is so cute. Okay. I mean, I literally gave you 2 looks in one. What? It's giving Queen of Hearts. It's giving love. It's giving everything. I love this. I need to zoom in for y'all. Period. I love this heart. The glitter. I don't normally work with glitter, but I found it appropriate. This soft glam that we did on this side, I love this too. That's perfect for actual Valentine's Day. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn your notifications on so you know when the next video is coming. Wishing you love, health, wealth, and happiness. Peace.